you don't know, like, as you just said, you don't know the law. How can you enforce something that you don't know?
Check the form. You can answer.
An answer.
By a careful review of the statute before taking any action.
Do you know what the Fourth Amendment is?
Yes,
What is it?
due process.
If I was to tell you that is not correct, and I was to tell you it's unreasonable searches and seizures, allowing myself to be in possession of my personal property, effects, things of that nature, if I told you that, would you believe me?
All right.
Is that a yes or is that a no?
That's an I don't know.